Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great and thank you so much for watching this video today. So I hope you guys are doing great amidst the festive season, and I guess Diwali is almost here. So I guess I'm uploading this video just a few days before Diwali, and like everyone, even I love shopping, and because I'm a blogger I need to review products. I keep on buying stuff. So this is basically a collective haul. Most of the items that I have purchased are either from Nykaa, Purple or Amazon. So during the course of the video I will mention all of that information. If you like haul videos, please keep on watching. Before you do that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, if you like beauty and lifestyle related videos, then please hit the subscribe button. At this point, subscribing is absolutely free. Also, there is a bell icon next to it. If you click on that, select all. Each time I upload a new video, YouTube will notify you. So without wasting further time, let's get started. And so let's start with the video right away. I do have a lot of items to show you guys, and I hope you guys have watched my previous video, which was like a live update, a tiny live update, and I have explained the reasons why I was not able to film a video. So this is the second video I'm filming in 2 days, so I guess progress, and I hopefully would be able to upload more videos in the future. So keeping my fingers crossed. Currently my room is under renovation, so once that is done, probably it will be more easier for me to film videos. Right now I'm trying to make the best use of the time I have, and I'm filming videos for you guys. Okay, so let's start with the haul now, and let's start with something which is not makeup related. I will show that towards the later part of the video. The first thing that I purchased is, which I mentioned in my last haul video, is this T3 pure white nose post strip, and it is from the brand Miss Claire. So can you see that? So I did mention in that video how I have been using the hip hop charcoal nose strips. I like those, but because it is black, so I cannot make out whether my blackheads are coming out, so I can only see the whiteheads. So when I spotted this in, I think I spotted it on Nykaa while scrolling, so I thought yes, this is what I need. I have used one strip, so far so good. I will still try one or two strips and then give my honest opinion. So either I will post do a like a review blog post, or I will mention it on my Instagram or out here. So please stay tuned. All the information regarding my blog, social media handles, everything like always is mentioned in the description box, so do not forget to check it out. Now this particular nose strip contains T3, which is good for the area around the nose. I have horrible blackheads. I literally have to use like a strip after every 2 weeks because they keep coming back. Now I haven't figured out the real reason why that happens, but I guess when you have a lot of open pores and there's a lot of dirt and material collected out here, the blackheads keep growing and you need to take them off, and I guess nose strip is the only way which I feel is convenient. Now I believe you get 6 nose strips in this one, and I am not able to find the price. I will try and mention it on the screen out here. Okay, it is 175 rupees. I think I got it on discount, so you can definitely check it out from Nykaa. I will place the link in the description box. Alright, moving on, I wanted to try a shaving cream. Now I have been using the Patanjali one and I really like it. I wanted to try it this time around as well, but somehow I couldn't make it to the shop, so I got this from a local medical store, drugstore like they say. So this is a Gillette shaving cream in the variant lime. Now you would wonder, why do I need a shaving cream? Well, obviously women have hair all over their body, like hands, legs, armpits. I think when you use a shaving cream, it softens the hair. Also it makes life easy for you to take off the hair, and you do not get rashes and stuff. The skin on my leg is extremely dry, and once I realized that, I did not want to use a normal soap. So this is like cream based. You have to foam it up and then use your regular razor, and it works really well. I think it's decent. However, I only used it once, so as and when I know more about this cream and whether it's worth it or not, I'll mention it in my future videos. So yeah, this was the next product. Now moving on, I got a cream from Vico. Now Vico turmeric, nahi cosmetic, you remember that ad? So they had this original Vico turmeric cream. They still have it. People still buy it and use it. But because I have combination skin, I have blackheads, I do not tend to use that cream. I can use it only in the winter when my skin is really dry. Now what they have done is they have removed another version of that cream, which is more on the matte side. So yeah, for those who have oily skin. So this is the one I picked up. It is called the Vico turmeric WSO cream. Can you see that? Now this one is a tiny tube. It's only 15 grams. It costs 41 rupees, but there was some offer, so I got it for 31. Now if I have to open the product and check the tube, I do not have the other one. I bought 2 of these. It smells exactly like the cream, which is the original Vico turmeric, but when you apply it on your face, it will kind of feel matte and it will not make it greasy. However, I would not recommend you to use this during the day, especially in summer, because it kind of made me sweat on my forehead, which is something I did not like. Also, somebody mentioned that if you use this under your eyes, your dark circles will disappear. Well, I haven't had a chance to try it enough and tell you whether it works or not, but I'm definitely trying it because I have really horrible dark circles right now because I'm wearing makeup. 50% to chup hi gaya hai. So yeah, this was the next product. I really like it. I will try it and I will let you guys know how I like it. Alright, moving on. So I got the cheapest deodorants and I got it from Nykaa. Now this there is a brand called Ramsons and they have perfumes and deo sprays. So I always wanted to try those, but I never, honestly, I never, make a purchase from Nykaa. Somehow I'm not very fond of Nykaa. They charge like 70 rupees shipping, and on Purple I am an elite member and I get, like the shipping is only 49. So I don't know, I'm very calculative in that department. So I honestly don't buy anything from Nykaa, but this time around I wanted to buy a few things and I wanted to give these deos a try. So these are the two variants that I have got. They're really tiny. I think they're only 50 ml or something. I'll mention everything on the screen. Now this one says MRP is 68 rupees and this is the Ramsons Red ZX Perfume Forever deodorant spray. So this is how it looks like. They also have a perfume version. Now this is a deodorant and it smells really nice. So if you are okay, if you are a woman, if you are okay with male scents, you will like this. ये बहुत strong भी नहीं है, काफ़ी अच्छा है और काफ़ी देर तक आपके कपड़ों पे रहता है. I would not recommend you to spray this on your armpits. I think it's not right to do that because you do not know, like, इसमें क्या क्या चीज़ें जाती है. So this is 40 ml. I just bought it for 68 but I got it for 51. तो 50 रुपये में डियो मिल गया. Again this one is 68 and you get the same 40 ml. This is the Ramsons Cool Spark. This is one of the most popular ones out there and this one smells good as well. I'm almost out of it, so every day when I have a bath, when I come out I use a deo stick which is from Nivea and I use this on my clothes. I think it lasts decently well. Like if you're going to office, you want to carry a tiny bottle, you could go for these ones. They have ones which are meant for women as well, so you could try those as well. These are the ones I wanted to try, so I got them. I think they're really nice, not bad at all. So I would say 50 रुपये में पैसा वसूल हो गया. Moving on, I have 3 earrings to show you guys. Now all 3 are hoops and all 3 are of a different style. The first earring is the one I'm wearing right now. Can you see that there is a certain pattern or design to it? And I believe I paid some 20 or 30 rupees for this one. I think the size is perfect. It looks nice on me. So और क्या चाहिए, right? So I got this from the local market, the local vendors out here. The second one is this golden hoop. Now I bought this quite some time ago, but I was not able to show it to you guys. So ऐसा दिखता है. So this is a new type of hoop that they came out with. It's a little bit thicker. Can you see the side? It's a little bit thicker and it really looks nice. I have tried it once. In fact, I haven't worn it outside. मतलब ऐसे ही मैंने पहन के देख लिया. So if you do not know this, I'm kind of obsessed with earrings and especially hoops, so I had to give this a try. Now I feel the guy from whom I got it like overcharged me because now you're getting these for like what, 30 rupees. So I bought a couple of more variants which I'll show you in my next video because I'm not sure where I've kept them. So that was the second earring, and the third one is something I got from Dada. I went to my uncle's place and I visited the Dada market, so I was hoping to find more earrings but I couldn't. But this is the one which I spotted I really liked. I mean, for 30 rupees, not bad at all. So I picked this up. I have not been able to use it, but I think it's really nice. So can you see that pattern out here? It looks really nice. So when you wear it, it will look like that. So it comes also in a golden variant. I went for the silver oxidized one and I'm really happy I got it. मतलब 30 rupees में there's nothing better than this, I believe. So yeah, those were the 3 earrings that I purchased. Alright friends, moving on, I only have makeup now to show you guys and I'm going to show you one by one. The first thing is something which is gifted by my sister-in-law. So like I mentioned in my last video, they used to stay abroad in Dubai. Now they are staying with us here in Bombay. So she asked me what should I get you. I told her to get me an eyeshadow palette and she bought me this one. Now this is from the brand Just Gold. I have heard of this brand. मैंने यहाँ पे भी बॉम्बे में इसका देखा है, but somehow this brand is not very popular and it's considered to be cheap stuff or I don't know what, because I had a Just Gold lipstick many years ago when I was working outside of house, like I wasn't doing beauty and YouTube videos and stuff. But that particular time I had a lipstick and I kind of liked it. It was like a local brand. Okay, so nonetheless, this is 30 dirhams, so I do not know the calculations of 20 into 30, perhaps this is like around 600 bucks. It comes with a mirror and these are the shades. So beautiful. So this is like a copper, like a reddish maroon. This is a maroon, this is a gold, and there is white and there's black. So there is like they have like foil shadows, then 1 or 2 of them are like satin, but there is nothing which I can say there is matte in this. But I really like it and I'm really looking forward to trying it during Diwali and Christmas time. So really thank you. I said thank you to her for getting me this palette. It's really nice. The next item in the eye makeup category that I purchased is from Blue Heaven. This is their Blue Heaven Intense Eyeliner Easy Sketch Extreme Black. This is how it looks like. I think the whole world has tried it. I did not, so I had to get it, and I got it from Purple at a 45% discount, because if you buy 4 products you get 45% discount. This is priced at rupees 160, and I have used it once or twice. It's really nice. The tip is really good. But if you have oily eyelids, if you have hooded eyelids, and if you sweat it, there is a chance that it might transfer on the upper lid. So I'm just being very honest. So this is how the tip is, and I'll just do a quick swatch here. So you have to shake it a little bit because I feel it's kind of runny. So this is how it looks like. But it's, I mean, 160 रुपये में एक eyeliner है और उसमें आपको 50% डिस्काउंट मिलेगा. So if I have to judge it that way, then this one seems okay. I wouldn't say it's the best eyeliner, but the reason why it sells out like really quickly is because of the price point. But I would say overall it's an okay decent eyeliner. You can definitely go for it. The next thing I got is a kajal. I don't know why I bought 2 or 3 kajals. The other one I'll show you in a separate video. So I got this L18 kajal. This is how it looks like. Now I do have that twist up version, which is of 90 bucks. This one is 70 rupees or something. I don't remember the price, and it comes like that. So again, it's like a lipstick format. It's quite smooth and creamy, but trust me, it's not going to be like, you know, smudge proof, waterproof and all the proofs. But I think it's a decent kajal for everyday wear. Like if you're a blogger like me, or if you know about makeup, if you have, you know, eyeshadow, you can definitely put it and smudge it, and you know that way it will last all day. तो ये decent बोल सकते हैं काजल है. आप definitely इसको try कर सकते हैं. Nothing ground breaking or path breaking, but if you're looking for like a good quality decent brand kajal, you can definitely go for this one. Alright friends, moving on, I do have makeup sponges to talk about. Now I did have only one makeup sponge, and this is how it's looking like. तो इसकी मतलब अभी उम्र हो चुकी है, and मुझे नया वाला लाना था sponge. I was searching for a decent sponge from a long time, which is like in the affordable category, and I came across this brand called AY Accessories and Cosmetics, and I picked up a sponge from there. So this is how it looks like, and this is the brand AY. I think I got it for like 110 rupees. Here it says it's a powder puff, and the reason why I like this sponge is because of the shape of it. So if I have to compare this shape, which is my previous blender, with this one, can you see it has a flat surface. तो यहाँ पे कंसीलर लगाना, नोज़ के बाजू में पहुँचना, ये पॉइंटी टिप्स है, you know, मेकअप ब्लेंड करना बहुत आसान हो जाता है. Now when I got this, I also got another one, and it is in the variant blue. So it is the same thing but in a different color. Now when you dip it in water, it really expands and becomes really big. So I have not been able to use it like to blend my cream, foundation and stuff. I just had to wash it and keep it so that I can use it in my future videos. So yeah, I'm really pleased with this purchase. The only thing is I need to find out whether it really works or not. So this was my next purchase, and it is from this brand AY. Moving on, let's talk about base products. So I bought this like approximately 2 months ago, but I haven't had a chance to try it, so I'm going to give this a try. This is the Blue Heaven Get Bright Fairness and Foundation BB Cream SPF 15 PA+++, suitable for all skin types. So this is how the packaging looks like. Everything is mentioned here. It comes in multiple shades. So I did watch like 1 or 2 videos, and they were not happy about this BB cream, so that also made me curious to try this, because sometimes I don't trust other YouTubers. I want to try the product myself. So and also I don't use a lot of foundation. I think I have only 1 or 2 foundations, so I wanted to give this one a try. So if I have to open the packaging, this is how it looks like. Very nice, but अगर ये काम नहीं करेगा तो बेकार है. So I will give this one a try, and I'm going to review this very soon in the coming future. So please stay tuned to my channel, and please subscribe if you haven't. So yeah, this was the next purchase. The next thing that I got is this Blue Heaven Oil Control Compact Powder SPF 25 PA+++. I don't know what is the meaning of that. I'm not that expert to tell you guys, but you can check it on Google if you want to. Now I was eyeing this powder for such a long time. I think it came around more than 6 months ago, but each time I was trying to add it into my cart in Pond Purple, it's always out of stock. Currently it is still out of stock. So my impression was that my shade was cream, but in fact my shade was vanilla, which is 101 is what it says. Now look at the packaging, like, oh my god, wow, come on Blue Heaven, look at that. It's so nice. It looks so luxe. Like if I have to open it, look at that. This is how it looks like. Can you see that? And if I take this off, this is my shade. Yeah, that is how it looks like. So it is not very yellow, it's not very white, and hopefully this should work for me. So I did watch a video, and thank god I watched that video, because I would have ended up buying the wrong shade for myself. But honestly यार, packaging तो देखो यार, wow, I'm really impressed with the packaging. I think ये Blue Heaven का सबसे best packaging है. This is priced at 150 rupees. I got it for less than 100 in one of their sales. It also comes with this, you know, so when you put this like that and then you put it inside, it will not get any scratches. So wow, really thoughtful of Blue Heaven for doing that. I'm highly impressed by this powder. If it works for me, it is going to be like nothing like it. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this one. And so last but not the least, I do have two lipsticks to show you guys. Now how can my haul video be complete if I do not show lipsticks? So these are the two lipsticks that I got. Now I did spot these lipsticks in Nidhi Katia's video, who is a fellow YouTuber, and she did a haul video of lipsticks, like she was trying out different lipsticks, and this one really caught my eye and attention. So I wanted to grab these and wanted to review these on my channel. So that was the whole point of purchasing this. And guess what, how much I paid for each lipstick? Only 65 rupees. But I got these on Amazon और मुझे 80 रुपीज़ शिपिंग देना पड़ा था. ऐसा लग रहा है लिपस्टिक से ज़्यादा शिपिंग का कॉस्ट हो गया. एंड इफ़ यू गो टू द प्राइम वर्जन ऑल्सो, इन दैट ऑल्सो दे आर चार्जिंग 80 rupees for these lipsticks, which is really sad, but it's okay. I bought these to try on. So these are the lipsticks and the brand is called Milap. Where is the name mentioned out here? Here it is. Can you see that? It's like Milap, and this is a Delhi based brand, and they mostly used to cater to the women product, which is like sindoor and bindi. That's what I heard from Nidhi, and I'm not sure about this brand. They do have a website as such, and they also sell on Flipkart, and they sell on Amazon. I think Amazon पे सही प्राइस लगा है, पर शिपिंग डाल के उतना ही होता है. I think the original MRP is not 65, it's more than that. I'll find out from Amazon and mention it here on the screen. But on Amazon they are priced at 65, but I'm really sad that I have to pay 80 rupees. The first shade I got is called Tea and Coffee. Can you see that? 519. I will mention the link for where you can purchase it in the description box. And these lipsticks are called 9 to 6 matte lips. Can you see that? I really like this packaging. It's really nice and very thoughtful. मतलब यहाँ से आपको लिपस्टिक भी पता चल जाता है शेड क्या है, and it kind of matches the bullet, which is really nice. So this is the first shade, Tea and Coffee, and this is what I'm wearing right now. Can you see that? So these are really drying. To be very honest, they are very drying, and this is the swatch. So I think it will look good on every skin color. Like even if you are fair or if you are on the deeper end, it will really look nice on you. Now the problem with this is that there is nothing mentioned as an expiry date, ingredients, nothing of that sort. So if you are the experimental types, you want to trust this brand, you can definitely go ahead and try these products. This was Tea and Coffee 519. This is a swatch. And the next lipstick is Manhattan Rose 508. This is like a pink, a bright pink color. I'm not sure how it will look on my lips. I have not tried it, but it looks like a pretty color. I really like these type of pinks because they really suit my complexion really well. That was the whole point of purchasing this lipstick. I like those pinky purple kind of shades, so that's the reason why I went for it. If I have to sniff, it smells like toffee. Not bad. तो इसमें गंदी वाली बदबू नहीं आ रही है, ना chemical वाली smell आ रही है. If you're really looking forward to try a proper matte lipstick, go for it. However, can you see it's really drying on my lips. It's accentuating the fine line. So you really have to use your finger and blend it in, or use a lip liner and then apply lip gloss, so that way you can make it work. अगर आप proper matte lipstick चाहते हो तो इसको try कर सकते हो, but keep in mind you have to pay 80 rupees shipping. So if you're buying 5 lipsticks also, you have to buy 80. I mean, you have to pay 80 rupees. If you're buying 2 lipsticks also, you'll have to pay 80 rupees. So be mindful about that. But I honestly like this lipstick for 65 rupees. They are not that bad. Friends, so that is a wrap for today. Those were all the products that I wanted to show in this haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section. Also, do not forget to check the description box below. Please give this video a big thumbs up and share it on your social media if possible, and also do not forget to tag me out there. So this is it for now. I will see you all soon in my next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.